Bonjour et bienvenue à apprendre le français avec Lydia. Hello and welcome to Learn French with Lydia. Today I want to teach you how to say numbers 1 to 20 in French. After that, I'm going to teach you how to do simple maths in French. First of all, I'll teach you the basics, so don't worry. Okay, so to start, I want you to count numbers 1 to 10 in English. Go. Did you count? Good. Now you see how easy it is to count 1 to 10 or any other number, even 100 in English. So I want you to also have it easy to count 1 to 20 in French, okay, or any other number in French, okay. So we are going to start. I say it, then you repeat after me. We are going to use our fingers to count. Okay, that will be our real for now. Right? So, un, deux, deux, trois, trois, quatre, quatre, cinq, cinq. Okay, let's say it one more time. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Okay, I want us to say it faster, okay? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Good job. We want to move on to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's start. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now can we join them? 1 to 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. 9, 10. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now we're going to pause there and do some simple mathematics in French, okay? Yes, like 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, very simple ones, okay? But first of all, I'm going to teach you the math signs, like plus. So plus in French is called plus. Plus. Or some people just call it plus. Okay? Plus, that is the plus sign. And then the subtraction sign that we commonly call minus sign is moins. Moins. Then we have the equal sign. The equal sign. Égal. Égal. Let's stop there. Now I'm giving you a question. 1 plus 1 égale 1 plus 1 égale. What did you get? 2. Very good. Another one. 3 moins 1 égale 2. Très bien, très bien, très bien, très bien. I'm so proud of you. Now we continue to number 11 to 20. Okay. Let's do 11. 11. 11. Number 12. 12. 12. 13. 13. That is number 13. Number 14. 14. 14. 14. Number 15. 15. 15. Number 16. 16. 16. Number 17. 17. 17. It's like 10, 7, 10, and 7. 17. Number 18. 18. 18. That's another 10. 8. 18. Number 19. 19. 19. Another simple one. 10. 9. Then finally, 20. 20. Let's try it one more time. 11 to 20. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. And finally, 20. 20. So that's all for today. Au revoir.